Switch. Oh, okay, I see.
Hey guys, we're at the car wash.
You got receipt.
This is our first time going through a drive-through car wash. We usually wash it by hand.
We'll put $10 in.
He's gonna put $10 in the slot there. Okay. We're gonna get this truck nice and pretty and shiny. Yes.
Select your wash package now.
Okay, put the other. The wash package is going to be the $10 one, right?
Yeah.
You have purchased the work wash. You may enter the wash if it is ready.
You gotta let your window up. My window up. What about that back window, Tommy, that was down? Okay, there we go. We're gonna clean this bad boy. Okay, we're going in. And when that light turns red, that's when you stop, right?
I don't know.
That's what it said, yeah. It's green. You got room over on this side. There we go. See, this is moving up here. That thing is moving.
I see it.
Going to the car wash. Car wash, baby. Car wash. Look so handsome. We're going to take a picture up here. Happy Easter. It's going to be so beautiful. Say hello to the Karma babies. Hello, my Karma babies. How are you today? Today is the day of the Lord. Resurrection. I want to wish all of my Karma babies and everyone who's watching a happy, merry, happy Easter. And I hope your day went well. I'll show you a picture of my my Easter dinner. I had a lovely Easter dinner. I had a great time today, and I hope that you had a great time. And as it says here, Easter is the day of the Lord. I love you, my Karma babies. Bye-bye, Jean.
You work tomorrow, right?
From 8 to 11:30. From 8 to 11:30. But I don't think I'm gonna go back after this year. They don't want me to leave, but.
Tommy, Thomas. Hey, Karma babies. It's Easter. It's Easter. There's Thomas, Grandpa Karma right there. Shauna.
I'm over here.
Can you leave? There's Shauna, and there's Shauna. And we're family. Did Jean want to be on? I don't know.
Oh,
see?
girl,
You look so
bad.
good. That's my sister. Look at my beautiful.
So bad. Look at
Oh,
my-
you look beautiful. Look at that.
Look at my
Oh,
hair.
honey, you look beautiful. Look at you. Don't she? Tell me you don't cover up her face.
Look.
Look at, she looks beautiful.
Mirror.
That's Thomas' sister right there.
Mirror. She's gonna be 90 her birthday.
Wow, we just got done talking, guys, to her neighbor. Her neighbor will be 90 her birthday.
Mirror. She be. I think she don't get on the interstate.
Wow.
Get on 20.
That's pretty good.
Yes.
A 90-year-old can do it. I can do it
That's
too,
the
right,
same
guys?
thing I said. Oh, you talking to Diaries?
She was talking to
Talk to YouTube people. YouTube people.
And guess what? Mirror.
Huh.
She wash her own car.
Oh my goodness, no, she don't.
Yes, she does.
Oh my goodness. 90 years old, she's washing her own car.
Wash her own.
Wow.
My brother Newton is 95.
Oh my goodness. Woo. Guys, I got a long way to go.
I'm telling you.
Long ways to go.
Yeah.
Yep, got to stay and
Look.
get strength and energy.
I'm telling you,
Exercise.
She look old enough for your mama.
Wow. Well, at 90, I'm 69.
I say.
Yeah, sure is.
Say she
Wow.
like your mother.
She's 21 years older than you. Bye, sweetie.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we're leaving our sister-in-law.
Okay,
She getting on
Leaving
the
my
door, she getting on
sister
down-
now.
Look, she getting on down the street. She getting in.
She's
before
getting
night.
home before it get dark, she said.
Yeah.
See you later, Jean. We
Me
love
too.
you.
Love you too.
All right, take care.
All
Bye.
right.
Bye-bye. Tell Lex
Bye,
and
China.
everybody bye-bye. Oh, we had a wonderful, wonderful dinner by Thomas' sister. A beautiful dinner. And I got lots of goodies to take home. Desiree wasn't able to come. She's busy. He rides around the neighborhood all the time, right? He'd be all over the place. Bye-bye. My sister-in-law. Leaving her house, leaving Easter dinner. I didn't film doing dinner, guys, because people ate it whenever they felt like it, you know? I'm going to show you a picture of my plate. I had turkey and ham, cranberry, macaroni and cheese, some greens, some red beans and rice. Oh my goodness, I am stuffed. I'm stuffed. How about you, Shauna? You stuffed too? Yeah, we're all stuffed. So now we're gonna head. Where we're gonna go? Tell me. We're gonna go by Sam's or going home. Okay, we're gonna head on home.
Oh, we have to get the creamer.
Yeah, we can get the creamer at Walmart. Yeah, we're going home. We're tired now. Yep. We can get the creamer there. Okay. See you guys. Oh, young hearts. Hung up like my